All right, it's Collision Conference Day 2. I am over here with my friend Gordon from Relocalize. How's it going, Gordon?
It's great. It's a really good event. A lot of people, a lot of investors. It's a place for opportunities and networking.
Yeah, no, we're having a blast. I was just over here talking to some other folks, and I think we're in the green tech corner. Is that correct?
Oh, this is actually the growth corner.
Yeah.
We have a combination of different companies here who is probably raising their Series A.
I love it.
So we have gone through the challenges from pre-seed and seed, and now we're in growth, trying to set ourselves to scale.
I love it. Now, I would like to hear about the really cool solution. You gave me a walkthrough, but tell me about Relocalize, what you guys are doing. Let me get the branding in there for you.
All right.
Yeah, give me the pitch.
So we're in the food manufacturing space. Basically, we make micro factories and we install them at the grocery distribution center. So by doing so, we're actually eliminating the middle mile transportation. What it means is the transportation between conventional manufacturing plants and the grocery distribution center. And what we're doing is we're actually be able to produce food directly at the grocery distribution center, so that we're eliminating supply chain risk, we're eliminating transportation costs, and also greenhouse gas emissions.
I love it. That is so cool. And again, taking out that middle mile, there's so much in the middle that people don't think about when they're consuming their food. I've learned a lot today just talking with the folks in this corner about all the ways we could be doing a lot better as people to ensure our future. So this is really cool. Relocalize, want to say it again, some of the really cool tech here at Collision Conference Day 2. But yeah, Gordon, can't thank you enough for chatting.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.